My dear father, until now, my cooking and my career has been going very well because of you only. You are the only reason for my success. From now onwards, your son Prestige will always be successful. And to face all the hurdles, you should always help me. Cooking forever.
Is anybody there?
What happened? All the mechanic workshops are closed today. Everyone has come together.
We have come to talk regarding the
A
marriage.
wedding offer? For whom?
You don't know, boss? Boss is the big Black Panther.
Oh, he's that big a guy. Come, you can sit and talk. Tell me, what can I do for you?
Robbery, murder, rape. My boss was living with pride. God knows who cast his eye on him. He decided to go for a love marriage.
Theft and killer?
Huh?
Oh, What should I do for that?
Got to hear that you are the biggest chef in this town. Therefore, I've come to place an order for a banquet.
You don't worry about that. I will do my best and everyone will bless you after the marriage. By the way, how many people will come for your marriage?
There might be 500 odd people who like us and around 1,500 odd people who do not like us.
The number of people who hate you are more. Some problem will be there.
Most probably,
Then what will you do?
I have an idea for that.
What is that idea?
The 1,500 people who do not like me, you know what? They'll be made to sit together and you are going to poison them.
You want me to mix poison?
You're going to manage that, right?
Which date is your marriage?
The coming 15th.
Oh my god. I don't have the good fortune to cook for your marriage.
Why is it so?
Because that day I am going to Dubai for another marriage. So you may go now.
Bring my box,
Oh
buddy.
my god. You should know one thing, mister. Even if you give me a suitcase full of money or a pot full of money, you cannot buy this prestige because I am the son of my
God,
father.
Just open it, man.
What is all this?
This is a big knife. Rope to hang. Poison bottle.
What for?
If we don't like a particular person, we are going to kill him the way we like. But if we like somebody, he'll be killed the way he prefers. I like you a lot.
Whatever he is doing, he has some policy in it. What is this for? Even after I die, you won't leave me.
Why did he close it, man?
I have decided something.
Planning to escape or what?
No, to agree for you.
Come here. Give me the complete list of items you're going to use for a good banquet.
Mr. Potbelly.
Just write what we are going to tell. 10 bags of rice.
The shop in the town is going to close by 10 o'clock. We'll take it then.
2 bags of sugar.
The red shit shop in our area. We'll ransack it.
200 coconuts.
Plenty of groves on the way. We are going to whack it from there.
Hello. You will pluck it, you will flick it, and you'll steal it. You can buy it. Will anyone of you say that? Hope you have a girl to get married to, or else you will pick her up from some other marriage.
Why? Do you have any females at home?
Hello, old lady.
What, sir?
Just get out and get lost. Only if you start stealing from now, you will get all the ingredients before marriage, so you can go.
Okay then.
How much did I ask for, and what am I getting now? Hello, Potbelly. Where is everyone else?
Boss, when these rowdies came, they became afraid and went immediately.
Then how are we gonna cook for him? I don't know.
Boss, nothing to worry at all. I know 5 cooks. I will tell them to come and we'll do the needful.
Ask them all to come now.
Hi, welcome, Mr.
Yeah.
Seven.
Good morning,
welcome
sir.
to
Good
all.
morning. Hello, Mr. Potbelly. Have all these people come to buy the balance from last marriage? sir.
Boss, these are the cook I told you. He's my boss.
Hey, what is this? He is our boss. Welcome. He is my friend.
Hi, hello.
Oh, brother, you have a lot of hair on your head. Very good hairstyle. But when you serve, make sure your hair doesn't fall. He is also my friend.
Hello.
Welcome. And he can make good dosas. If you look at his face, you don't feel like having dosa. We don't want him. He will help us to serve pickles. As soon as you serve, you should
Okay,
go.
sir.
Who is this brother? I don't like him now only.
He makes pongal.
Oh, you are that person. Come
Yeah,
here.
go.
Ah,
I have a small, no, really big advice for you. Whatever you cook is not a big deal. Whatever you cook should give others. That is what you should do. You understood that? My name is just Saravanan. You can be any Saravanan, my boy. I have already started liking you. When I see all of you, there is a lot of height difference. Are you sure you have come here to cook only?
I knew you would doubt us.
Oh, you knew I would doubt you. On the way, we got a really good idea. What is that idea?
As we came, we got a marriage order too, sir.
Oh, that's
And
great,
that
my
too,
boy.
a strict police officer's daughter's wedding.
Ah, what date is it?
This month 15.
The same day, boss has taken order for another marriage also.
Hey, Potbelly, when did I commit for it? They made me commit and go
Boss,
away.
my uncle daughter's come to age, so I have to go home.
You heard that, no? He looks like an uncle and he has an auntie who is expecting a child, it seems. All this is happening because of him. And all this you don't know and you have a police order.
Boss? Who is big, police or the rowdy?
It is very confusing. Whatever it is, please make it clear.
The order which we took from the police, you took it from a rowdy, and we will arrest the rowdy on the same day.
You mean to say that Rowdy will get arrested?
We can give a complaint against him.
Please don't talk nonsense. It's getting late for me. I'm going.
Potbelly!
That's all right. Let him go.
Uh-uh.
Why are you taking this coin?
Whenever I am confused, I'll toss a coin and see. Now I am going to toss a coin and decide for your own good. Let's see what comes. If it's head,
It's heads, my boss. Everything will be all right. All is well, my boss.
Tell me, Mr. Shravan, what's the matter?
He is our boss.
Hello.
Welcome.
Tell me.
He has come to give a complaint against the rowdies. All of us have come for that.
Accused Mukund. What is the case?
Yeah, tell him.
sir, he teased a girl
Uh,
who was there in my house cooking for me.
but that lady should
Sir,
be
it's
aged.
Eve teasing.
Oh.
If you file a case against him, we will go happily.
Unless that lady comes directly, how can I take the complaint?
Oh, that's right. We have the victim here with us.
This lady's daughter was being tried to molested?
No, sir, this is the girl.
What? What? You mean this is that lady? But she's too aged. Her body is shivering.
I have always asked you to not dance. Now you're dancing. Where are you, my boy?
Yes, boss.
Why this much? Why this much? Why this much makeup? My dear brother.
Just a minute. Sir,
You are giving a complaint against Mukund. We should not have any problem.
sir, your daughter should get married, no?
So what?
He is a rowdy, sir. He's gonna get married to some girl. You should only think about it.
Sir, we don't have enough time to think and all. Before the scene gets over, she will get over.
Okay. Accused Mukund will be arrested.
That's great. Then your daughter's marriage will happen. Oh!
Hey, mix it properly.
Where are you, my dear boy? If you keep cooking like this, we won't eat
Hey, boss,
anything.
boss, please come and see how the Black Panther is being arrested.
Come,
Let's go, let's
Just
go.
have a look at this. I'll come now.
Come fast. Hey, man, wait there.
Hey, finally you have shown your cunningness with me, huh?
Look at your face. You are good for nothing. You have no deserving to get married. I want to cook for everyone. He asked me to mix poison, sir. You should not put him in jail. He will eat everyone's meals all by himself. Make him work in a mechanic shop. Why are you staring, man? Why are you staring?
This is the look of vengeance, boss.
What is vengeance?
Vengeance means he and you got vengeance to each other.
Ah.
This will last till your death. Your wives will kill each other. Both your children will actually fight each other till the end.
Ah.
Where will all this end? Nobody knows.
He doesn't think all this, but you are saying all this.
Hey, there is no point talking to him like this. You should just beat him up like this. Yeah, go
No
for
need,
it.
no need, it's okay.
Oh, a big mountain like my brother has been destroyed. Hey,
Yeah.
my boss was a stud. You turned him into a comedian, right? He's telling you only, boss. You're putting me to bigger shame, huh?
All right, let's turn around. Hey, I am not here. It's okay.
reason for all this.
Why is he staring me like that?
Give it to me.
The way he is talking, it feels like I am putting bomb. Let me serve something at least.
Give it to me, boss.
Hello, my dear brother. They are not going to do karate with all this. Don't serve as if you are eating. Just serve one for everyone.
boss.
Oh God, they are not letting me do anything.
My boss, what are you doing, huh?
He was very hurrying that he couldn't take anything.
Where is it? Hey, give it to me.
My dear brother, if I get 5 people like you,
You already got us. Let me do my work now.
it's okay. They are not even letting me speak. but they are having everything. I don't know where these people came from, but I definitely know where they are going to take me.
I will reach there any moment. Please tell them.
Sir, where are you going without eating?
I am taking parcel with me.
Why all this tiffin box? You are going to another place, huh?
Good joke. You have given a complaint about Mukund, right?
Yeah, what happened for that? He is just a good for nothing fellow. What happened to him?
The moment he was arrested, within half an hour, I got transferred from this place.
What? Transferred you?
I have been transferred to my native place.
Sir, if he has transferred somebody who has arrested him, then what will he do to our boss?
That's right.
Give me idea,
Please advise,
They are
sir.
not able to bear the suspense. Please tell them. What should I do? I will tell
thank
you the
you.
suspense.
Hello? If I've been transferred, you have hit him. What will happen to you now? He will not leave you.
Sir, why
so
are you
all
scaring
please
me like
leave
this?
at the earliest. This is my advice. Okay, leave
Sir,
me the
sir,
way.
please
Leave
don't
me the
go,
way.
sir.
Let
Sir,
me go.
say something, sir. Please, sir, help me, sir.
That cook is going to be killed today.
Boss, we got to make you escape, boss. Boss, please, sir.
Asking me to sit inside this,
Then you
very
can lie
bad.
down, boss.
It is so much trouble for me.
go out, he'll bash
Hey, just shut up, man. You can sit. I mean, boss, please sit. Yeah. Drop it here. Yeah. Quickly. Do that. That's hey, please, be careful. You are dropping everything in my eyes.
Boss has been telling several times to reduce the chili. Now pour some water.
Huh? My dear brother, no need to advise now. Cover me up.
Properly. Lift him. We should take him out.
We shouldn't be recognized.
Come.
Yeah, lift it.
Who is this man?
Who are you?
Oh, we are taking the...
What?
Oh, we are taking...
Get lost, man. One tight rap I'll give you. Get lost, man.
Hey guys, one sec.
What the hell?
Keep that basket down. Boss, can I take your stuff from here? Untouched. I hope it's fine. Boss, you and I 50-50. What's it?
Okay.
Maybe we should have given him this before itself. Yeah, let's keep it here. Keep it. Now nobody can catch our boss.
Hey, look who is coming! Oh my God!
Why is there so much noise?
Don't come here! Come here, boss! The bloody cookie's here!
Guys, come fast. We should lock the gate before they come out.
Don't let him go! Don't let him go!
Lock it.
You stopped my marriage and left me wanking, huh?
Hey, whatever you got is not enough. You can say whatever you want. Please say it.
Opera Marriage Auditorium at Glen Road, Auckland Park's Spectacle Marriage House. None of these
Bro, you
places.
forgot about the Kodak Marriage Auditorium.
Yeah, Kodak Marriage House at Angel Road. None of these places I'll allow you to prepare a banquet.
For this only you spoke so fast or what? If I knew, I would have taken 2 of them, right? Just look at you.
All right then. We will do whatever you said. We go there and open a hotel. My dear brother, please come here. That is my father's photo.
From now on, he's not your father alone. He's our father too. Now, from here on, he'll be there with us forever. Boss, if you had 5 fathers, how would it have been? I mean 5 photos. All of us could have kept one.
There is no need to keep my father's photo. He is my only father.
Boss, we are getting late.
You are always right, my dear. Before he comes and kills us, we should go somewhere and live for us. Yeah, very good. Oh, wait.
Hey, you bloody cook.
Everybody run! He's coming! Run! Come fast!
Your place has come. Get down. Get down quickly. Fast. Hey, my bag. Take all your luggage. Where is boss, man?
Please get down, my boss. Before we step down onto the place which is going to help us live, we should always bow down to it. Oh my God, please help me.
Hey, this is not a loo. Just get out, okay?
You will have all my blessings.
Hey, my boss, why are you falling on my feet? My blessings are always with you.
Why, dude? He is supposed to bless us. He is the boss. Why are you
Hey,
blessing?
that's
Hey,
not the
if we
point.
don't bless our boss, then who else will bless him? Hey, you're simply standing alone, right? Bless boss.
Hey, don't fall at my feet, boss.
You
may
are
touch my
talking
hand, I'll
too
bless
much. I feel like kicking you, man. Hey, when I was falling down, you should have come and helped me. Instead, you came and stand. How dare you? Enough, pick up.
Hello? Yeah, we have reached Trichy. Yeah, we are on the way. Yeah, let's go.
Boss, when you're
Ah.
sleeping in the bus, we actually decided something. We are
That
coming
thing.
here. We are opening a hotel.
Ah.
We're getting married.
Uh-huh.
We will be having a son.
Wow.
We are going to play with him and caress him a lot.
Wow, what an idea. Now tell me, what name shall we keep?
you. Boss, mom's kitchen.
It is a very good name, but government has kept it.
What about just mother?
No, 2 letters are not good.
How many letters will suit
5
you?
letters.
Then join both the names and merge it as one. Try pronouncing it, it will be superb.
Hey.
Oh my god, please help me.
Hey, started begging right in the morning itself or what?
Hello, Mr. Harry Boy. You see what I am coming to?
Hey, leave that. Boss, we'll keep your name for the hotel. Hotel Gauravam AC. It is good for us also and good for them also. How is it?
My dear brother, who said you are going to become a good
Why?
person? You have already become a good person.
Congratulations.
Boss, in
thanks,
this happiness,
thanks.
we'll all drink a tea.
Yeah.
That is good.
Five teas and 1 milk. There you go.
Don't have change for 500 bucks.
Change. All right, I'll get
Okay,
change
okay,
and come.
okay.
They don't have change, it seems. Boss, they don't have change. I'll get
Yeah,
the change
okay.
and come. Sit there.
Hey, boss! What happened?
Keep some distance.
Why?
You are owner. We are labor. You should always sit away from us. Now you can sit. Hey, just go.
Hey, it's okay. Please sit. Everything will be fine. I'll
Yeah,
sit here.
please sit.
Ah,
Hey, I'll
please
come
hold
now.
this.
Hey, give the tumbler here. Give.
Too much respect. This is.
Brother,
Huh?
you gave me the money, no? I gave the flowers to that girl only.
I asked you to give it to a beautiful girl. You have given it to the most beautiful one. Take this.
Okay, what for this?
You can have tea.
Hmm?
Boss,
Huh?
I asked you to stay away from the labor, right? You should have some respect.
How can we keep distance in bathroom?
Listen to me. Go to that last bathroom.
Okay. Mm.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey, shameless fellow, why are you opening the knocking?
Ah.
Boss, not only now, always you should stay at least 2 feet away from us. That's for your good, you understand?
I understood you go.
Okay, sir.
I am not able to control.
I think it will come from that side.
What, boss? What are you doing?
You only asked me to stand away.
Stand together, you fool, for your safety.
How dare you
What do
talk to
say?
me like that?
Boss, if something happens to you, what will we do? Hey, Otto! Stop. You get it.
You guys are not coming with me.
You please
You go first, sir.
No, but we should all go together. That is when we can go,
No,
right?
boss.
No need.
You go actually comfortably. We'll follow in the
Ah,
bus.
Why should we go in bus? We can all go in this
What
auto.
is this, boss? I have told you, you are owner, we are labor.
No, but listen to me.
Listen to me, get inside.
No, by the way, I am saying everybody together
Hey,
can
are
be.
you listening to us or not? You listen to us first. Listen.
Hey,
I cannot
no,
imagine anybody else as my boss than you, fool. You stupid fella.
No.
Just forgive him.
Stupid fella, get inside. I said,
Get him.
get inside.
Wait here, man.
You.
Bro, take him safely, alright?
Okay, I will drop him.
My boss, you go to the hotel. Just have 2 idlis. We'll be there then.
Okay.
And once we are there, we'll discuss
Okay.
everything, okay?
Hey, give me that handbag.
Boss, we 5 of us are there. We'll keep it safe. That is better.
I don't have 5 paisa with me. That is why I am asking.
Boss, you usually say, na, these auto fellas are very bad people.
When did I say that?
He's saying that you will say, not you said. What is your problem?
Boss, you wear this. It'll be nice on you.
Hey, leave him, man. It's okay. You can go. You start the vehicle.
Please come fast with all my money.
Yeah, we'll take
You
care of it.
go.
You go.
Okay,
I'm
bye
going.
bye. Please
Let's
come
catch that
soon.
bus. Hey, come, guys.
Come. Bye.
I'll ready the money and call you.
I'll count the 500s. You count the thousands.
Hey, you count all the changes, man.
Hey, I'll count all the coins, man. The restaurant has become bigger. Boss can get married also.
We can find the junior boss too.
Who's this person? Why have you made a beggar sit here?
What did you mean?
Humor, humor.
That's okay, that's okay. Please sit, sir. Please attend to sir.
What do you like to have?
4 idlis, and idlis should not be very hard. It should be so soft that I would want to give it to her. It should be like a flower. Will you give me that?
Get
And one more thing.
what?
Coffee.
How that should be done?
Quantity, just this much it should be. It should look like someone has already had
There
it.
is some leftover coffee there. You can drink that, okay?
Respect me. What is there to go with idli?
Sambar.
Alternate, alternate.
No chutney. Grinders repair.
Sit and make it, man. 4 idlis and 4 types of chutney. Go. Hello. Why are you giving signal? You look like a beggar yourself. And you are trying to give humor. Go, man.
Mm-hmm.
The coast of Ipanema to the island of Capri, all the way to Kuala Lumpur.
4 idli and 4 types of chutney.
What happened? Why are they not picking up my call?
Who is that? Leave my saree.
Who's that?
Hey, we have been coming here for a long time.
Hey, why, man?
I gave the bag to a girl. Now she became an old lady.
Hey, she's an old lady only.
Huh? What? Yeah, that's right.
Then that girl. Then that bag.
Then our boy. Hey, just a second. Hello, boss.
My dear brother,
Yeah, tell me, boss.
where are you?
Yeah, our bus, it is taking some time. Until then, have a dosa. We'll come.
Huh?
Listen, by the time boss finishes eating, we should get
What
back.
if we don't get?
Until we get the bag, we should make him eat.
Oh my god.
Sir, what
You
about
can
the
take
bill?
it. One more. Dosa for me. Go, man. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god, he's calling again.
Give. I'll talk.
Hey, what happened? Why is he screaming?
Why did you call again, boss?
There is no dosa, only puri and pongal. I was confused. What should I have?
That's why you were shouting, boss. See, when you are confused, you actually toss a coin, right?
Hello. How did he know that I got confused?
We have understood you so well, boss.
That is very good.
Simply toss the coin, boss.
Okay, but now... Huh? I don't even have one coin to toss with me. Tell me, what should I have?
Oh no!
I thought head will come in the coin toss, but I didn't think your head will get injured.
Hotel bill, current bill, and hospital bill together 4,000 rupees. Okay?
Yeah, I'll get you the money.
Where are you going?
Right here. I'm not getting enough signal.
When will we get?
Right now. Hello. Hey, where are you guys? I had only 4 idlis, but I have 4,000.
4 idlis, 4,000. Boss, which means 1 idli, 1,000. So 10 idlis will be rich.
There is no need for all this mathematics. Where are you guys right now?
Here we are on the way, boss. We are coming running to you, sir.
Hey, I saw you guys. It's all right. Come very slowly. You are only this much and you are... Yeah, tell me, how much is this shop? I will buy it in single payment. Hey, where are you guys running? Hey, stop. Guys, I'm here. I'm here.
Somebody with our boss's voice is shouting.
Please stop running.
Stop
Hey,
them.
please
I'm sure it's
stop
our boss
running.
only.
Hey, I'm here.
You say you're going behind them, but you're running away.
What did you tell me? This coming January, I'm 40 years.
Hey, are you trying to escape from here? Having food and not paying the bill, but talking too much.
Come
Hey,
here.
no point talking to him like this. Take him, man. Take him,
You
man.
need
Take
not
him.
go anywhere.
Come,
Let him come.
come.
This bloody frame is hurting. You first throw it
This
away.
is boss's father, man.
Hey, you and your bloody father, throw it. Stupid fellow, man. Where he comes from?
Hey, look at him for the last time.
Hey, just leave it.
Eh,
God knows what,
what are
I'm
you
going to
thinking?
tell
Throw
him.
it, man.
Big boss, if I keep you here only, nobody will touch you.
If you keep him anywhere, nobody is going to touch him. Come on, guys. He's wasting his time on him.
Hey, you said your friends are coming? Just call them and tell them to come.
I'm calling. They are out of reach already.
Hey, don't escape. Yeah, mobile may be out of range, but you have to be inside. Come inside.
Get in.
Useless
Get
fellow
a rope
trying
and tie him
to cheat.
inside.
How can we complain against you?
Huh? Why complain about me? You should have given a general
In the
complaint.
tension, we didn't think of
Okay,
it.
come, we'll go and file a complaint now.
Drive carefully, man.
If he hits, there is no problem for him. Only the car will be damaged.
What are you talking, Stubborn?
Yes, sir. All 5 of us together lost the bag.
If 5 people are searching for the bag, it is okay. But you're telling 5 people together have lost the bag. What is this all, Shravan? Huh? Okay, who's this girl?
I gave the bag to this girl.
How did you lose that bag?
One person asked me if it was his bag. I thought it was his friend and I gave him the bag.
Sir, one of them could have robbed the bag, right? Because these guys look like robbers. Sir, I am a gentleman. Oh, gentleman is also a robber.
Unless you stop talking this nonsense, how will you get promotion in your job, man? Just shut up and just go with them and get the complaint, okay?
Okay, come.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. You came, you ate, you ran, now you're sleeping. Who are you? Where did you come?
My name is Prestige. I am the son of my father.
Hey, nobody knows you. Now you're also telling me your father's name. Why did you come? You tell me that first.
I came from a different place, but I have lots of money. I came here to make a good hotel, but you guys treated me like a beggar.
Hey. We know that festivals and rituals happen in a lot of places. You did not explain. Don't try to be over smart with us. Will you be able to pay the amount or not?
Hey, it has come. I'll put it in loudspeaker.
Hello.
My dear brothers, where are you? I was going to call you.
Then you call me back, boss.
Hello.
You should have made him the call, right?
Hey, keep quiet, man. You call, man.
Hello.
Tell me, boss.
My dear brother, from the time I have reached here, your brother is not talking to me.
Ah, that is because he's too a little busy right now.
You came here with me and now you guys are busy. Over here there are 3 people who are beating me up, man. I don't know what to do. It is very bad.
Is it, sir?
Why this reaction, my boy? I came here for breakfast. Now it is lunchtime.
What do you mean by lunchtime is getting over? Please order for the lunch and eat, boss.
What are you saying?
Please take care of your health, boss.
But I have to.
What? Lunch.
Boss, I told you that day. He is trying to cheat us in a different way. He's got a very big gang who is involved in such activities.
Leave that aside, brother. Hey, this dress of yours, where did you steal it from? Huh?
Hey, don't try to act here. See the way he's crying?
Hey.
What,
Hey.
boss? Please ask him what he's going
This
to
is
do.
a hotel or a bar?
Now I want to see how you're going to escape. Give it here. You don't have money to spend. Why you
Hey,
want to sell?
I have to talk. Hey,
Come on, man.
now what will I do?
What?
Finally, you will come to my hand. I'll give you this. What do you think of yourself? You are just 4 feet tall, you know? You took my cell and put it inside the grinder. Huh? What do you think of yourself? What will you do? It's alright. You bring all of them.
What is it here? What happened?
He tied my nose and hit me on my face. My nose is
Hey,
bleeding.
come on, you guys. I know what I should do with you.
Hey, you hit my staff, huh?
Yes, you're right.
I won't leave you alive.
Come, let's see what you do.
Pick up the knife. You.
Where is the Sari? Hey, why are you standing like this? What happened? Are you not ashamed to tell that you're my boss? And this barbarian?
You're hitting your boss, huh?
You are the one who pulled my wife's sari. I know
Talking
that.
rot, you fool.
Where is my wife? Where is she? I can't see her. She's here. Look, you saw that?
Yeah, I've already seen
How
her.
did it
huh?
happen?
You are not supposed to show your wife. People are standing here. You can't see this fellow standing. He's an outsider. How dare you show your wife like this to him?
Hey,
You
hey,
have to-
stay
you
there.
have to
I
talk
said
to
stay
him.
there. So you are the culprit. Come here.
You saw it, boss. We are talking for so long, and this fellow is trying to eat something and whack. Hey, spit it, man. I said stupid.
Hey,
man.
hey, he's older than me, okay? So just listen to him. Spit it out.
Hey, spit it, man.
Hey, I said spit it.
Why is he asking us to stand together?
I think he's planning to fall at our feet and ask him to forgive.
Ma'am, he's asking you to remove it completely.
Will you please close that? He's just telling you to move away from here. You saw that he's accepting it.
What is... Is it me? He's asking me to move
No,
closer?
since he had hit you first, I think he's calling you first so that he can fall in your feet.
Oh. Hey, do it fast, whatever you're doing. Hey, what is bringing candle and
Since
all?
you're not tall, he would not have seen you.
Hey,
Eh?
he wants to beg pardon from me. Hello, spit it fast and come fall at my feet. Hey, the cock is cooing, time is getting late, I have to open the shop, come fast. Hey, I've got a lot of work to do, man, come fast.
Oh my god, my eyes, my face got... Oh.
What do you think of yourself? I am the son of my father. Oh, my dear son Prestige, where are you? See what happened to your father. Father, my dear father. Oh, my dear father, what happened to you? Who kept you here? Who left you here and oh my God, what happened to my father? Father, I have realized that they are here somewhere. I should find them. Hey, come fast. We are getting
I'm
late.
coming, man.
He's
Difficult for him
always
to
like
walk.
this. Hello. Stop right there. Stop.
Where were you for so many days? Where did you leave us and go?
When did I leave you and
No,
go?
boss, you only left us and went away.
What are you saying?
That's correct, boss. We are all together, you are only standing alone. That means you only went away.
You keep saying all these things very rightly. But then, where is my father's photo? Where is my father's photo? Should I beat you up now? Tell me. Tell me. You kept looking at it. Where is that godly photo?
Actually, boss, this is a big city, right? That's why he doesn't remember where he has kept it. Is it not?
Saving him? You are best friend. That is really great. Have a look at this. Really have a look at this. Now you remember where you lost it. My father was inside the dustbin and I was getting beaten up. And you were saying my son will be your boss and you will pamper him. You always talk like this. Alright, leave it. Tell me, where is my money? Hello, where are you going? You are also part of the crowd. Come and stand here. Hey, don't go there. Come and stand in your mark. Where is my money? Tell me, boys. Tell me. I want to know right now, where is my handbag and money?
Boss, we started from Karikudi to Trichy.
Yes, we came here and then I got into trouble. I remember everything. I know what all happened, but tell me, where is my handbag?
When we came to Trichy,
I don't want flashback. I want my cash.
If you're so strict, we cannot work in a hotel, boss.
Huh?
You cannot talk all this
That's
rules.
correct, that's correct.
Hold this for me. You haven't started a hotel, but you have already started a union.
that's
Pick him up. Even before we burn the stove, you are going for strike. Hey, come here. Tell me, where is my money? Tell me, where is my money?
hey, get some water from the bathroom.
Hey, where are you going? I need my money, not bucket of
He's only
water.
saying, right, go.
Stop here.
Why are you listening to him and standing?
Hey, I'm telling you, stop here. Why do you need water? 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 Why do you need water?
Boss, when I tell you the truth, you will definitely faint. So to wake you up, we need some water, no?
Before even you say, I feel like fainting. What did you do with my money?
Boss, we have actually lost the money bag, boss.
Huh?
Please give us, boss.
What did you say? You lost my money? Oh my God! I don't know what to do. I feel like fainting now.
Boss, we have met at the right place, boss. The toilet is inside. You just go inside. You keep going and we are just coming. Wait, take a token for it, boss.
Give a token, bro.
Take all of them.
Then give me fully.
Where will I go?
Keep it, boss.
It's all right. Hey, I asked you for money and you're giving me ticket. Please don't leave
Yeah, over
me
there.
and go here.
Keep the photo safely,
I
boss.
don't want to go to bathroom. Okay,
Hey,
bye.
idiot, how many times
You
I
are
want to say
still
you?
here. How long
Get
will
out
you
from
do?
here.
I will go in the next bathroom.
Come, Shravan. This is the bag. Please take
Hey,
the
this
money
is
and
our
check.
money.
Hey, here it is.
He's the guy who stole your bag. Hey, jackpot.
Yes, proceed.
You'll get it nicely, okay?
I meet you. Huh? Sir, I know all these fellows before itself. We have met before in the bus.
Ah, yeah.
Ah. Hey, that day you refused to take the bag. Now why did you take it? Sorry, boss. If you give me, that is not going to be my own. Only if I take, that will become my own.
Hey, we were with you only, no? Then when did you take it?
During the second BGM of the song, I took it. I've acted then.
You should
Don't do. Ah, an important thing. In this crime, Raja sir is also involved.
Who's Raja sir?
Raja sir. What are you saying? Yes, he is the director of the enchanting song in the bus. In that song, have you just forgotten about yourself? You forgot your bag too.
I'll give one on your face, okay?
Okay,
Hey,
Your Honor.
just count the money and check.
Brother, how much ever you count, there will be 70,000
What?
rupees.
What happened to that money?
Piles operation.
What?
You will understand. Bus travel, heat operation.
For 70,000, what operation, man?
Who the hell did ask you to do the operation there? Should I seek permission from you all how to do my
Hey,
operation?
sir, without the full money, how will we go, sir?
Excuse me, sir. In 2 days, I will do hard work and return the money. But one thing, police should not
Just shut
involve.
up your mouth.
Later, your wish. Okay, I'm starting.
Hey,
My bag. Oh, you
hey
keep-
guys, catch him.
Hey, wait here, wait
Thank you,
here.
sir.
Hey, wait, man, wait. Now we cannot believe you. Where are you running? Till I give the money, you stay with
Where
me.
to stay with you?
In my house only. Where is your house? Buses come. Address you ask
Hey.
me. Hey, police. Stop the bus.
I have come to court for a case hearing. What? He got angry or what?
Oh, hey, please open the door.
How many of them came? Is it? One person alone came and burnt everything. Who's that fella? How does he look like? Would have I seen him before? What? White shirt, curly hair, and a red bindi on the forehead. By the details that you're providing right now to me, I think I've seen him somewhere. Alright, you just leave it. I'll take care of him.
Sir, your zip is
Thank you,
open.
thank you, thank you.
Hey, it's okay. No, I won't open this gate. I won't let you guys come out. Where are you guys? I'm coming for you.
Give me a Sprite, dude.
Will this guy have some money? Bags.
Give me today's paper.
Today's newspaper. Let's see what the headline is. God bless you, father.
God bless you.
Boss! Oh my God, what traffic! It is so difficult to run and come in this heat. Oh
Where's
my
our dinner?
God. Here,
Huh? Why everything is mixed inside and kept in the bag?
when I'm stealing food, can I tie parcels separately for you guys? Take and eat here.
What about the side dishes then?
Open the side zip.
Eh?
That's the gravy. Oh, if it's the police, tell her I'm not.
Hey, it's that girl, man.
Tell me, what's up?
Where are you now?
Yeah, here in our friend's house.
The one who stole the bag.
Oh, everyone is in same place, huh?
Don't talk unnecessarily. This is me here. Why did he call?
What happened? Couldn't call you? I just want to talk to you, that's it.
Battery is low. You talk to him only.
No. I want to talk to him. Tell him I will call him tomorrow.
Hey, dude.
Hey.
Hi, good morning,
Hello.
sir. I am Prestige. I am the son of this father.
Okay.
I wanted to ask you, there is a group of 5 people, very tall and very short. Together they will walk. Did you see?
Oh, they?
Yeah.
They are staying on the 3rd street on the left. You may go. You will find them there. You just ask somebody
Oh,
there.
I will ask them. I will kill them. You see what I am going to do.
What are you
I'm
just staring
going
and
to take this
standing?
and then... I will take this and I will take this and now... What happened? Why is everyone taking...
Hey, bro, you are distributing all the wooden clubs. Where are you
I
going
didn't
now?
take it.
Now
Hey,
you
they
come
took
here
it.
without
You
escaping. You
saw
give her
it,
the money and go.
No, I didn't.
Everyone in town has seen you hitting him. Only I could not see.
But there's one thing. The issue is not solved with this.
By now, they might have tried to know your whereabouts. Be careful. Stick together always. And just be in one location.
Mr. Shravan is going to come back again. But this time, for sure, I'm going to be with you guys. Whatever you need, car or money, whatever it is you ask me, I shall provide.
If I need anything, I'll definitely ask you.
Hey, now boss and he has become friends, right? Then why do we need these clubs? Throw it away, man. You too, man. Should I tell you specifically or what?
Right, boss?
Where did this come from?
Bro, all the clubs have come back, right? Now you may leave.
Hey, why are you guys standing here?
Tin van is not ready. Can you give us the lift, please?
That's all right. Did you get prize?
This country has forgotten the Gandhi.
Hmm? Why is that?
The prize which should be given to me has been given to a thief.
Hey, he is a student. He dressed like a thief and got the prize. But you are a real thief. You won't get the prize even if you wear Gandhi's dress. Am I not right? Huh?
Correct.
Don't worry. God will test the good people.
What is the next
Give me
dialogue?
that
I
stick.
forgot?
You can't speak punch dialogue. You are wearing this dress.
Uncle, please give us the lift, uncle.
Please drop, uncle, please.
Gandhiji, your place has come. Get down.
Home or country?
Whatever you say, I'll drop you here itself.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye.
Basha, your Bombay is here. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, brother. Bye.
Okay, check the final draft.
Bye, brother.
Yeah, go, go.
Slowly, dear.
Good morning, sir.
What, Shravan? What happened to your job?
Yeah, I've spoken about it.
No use of talking alone. You have to get into the job soon.
I understand, sir, but I am trying my best. I have told the staff over there. He said he will definitely help. This time, definitely I'll get the job, sir.
If you don't get a job,
If I don't get the job, then there is another option.
what is that option?
I'll also give an application and stay in this home.
But may I know who will give you permission to come and stay here? I can do one thing. I will tie both your legs and hands and put you in the dustbin. Somebody will pick you from there and bring you here. I don't think there is any other option for this.
Don't tease me, sir.
No, my dear son. I don't know for what reason the children are praying inside. But Meera's reason I know. She prays that you should get a job immediately and she should be with you always.
Definitely, sir. This time I'll definitely get it, sir.
That's good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, brother. Brother! Brother! Look there, brother. Where this rickshaw is going?
To call our father, God is going in a chariot. It's okay, you come.
Hello, brother.
Your brother has got the job.
Hi, Jolly.
Now we are going to see a house for ourselves.
Wow, super.
Get down, baby. My dear sister, I have to go at 8 o'clock in the morning. Just for tomorrow, please go in the bus. I'll come and pick you up in the
No
evening.
problem, brother. I'll go with teacher. Bye-bye.
You'll go, no? Huh? Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye, brother.
First, we should get her address, man. Every time you see, she is saying mother and father is not there. She is mother and father is not there. You should ask her address and.
Satya wasn't come with us. One kick I'll give you now. Keep quiet and come. Dude, students have started coming one by one. Gotta be careful. Be very
Okay.
careful. Don't miss. Dude, we'll definitely get her.
Give me a glance, oh baby.
Hey, what have we come here for? Why are you singing?
Actually, they should not suspect us. That's why I'm singing in a happy mood. Give me a glance, oh baby. Oh, give me a glance.
Can you
Oh,
use
look
this?
in the book. Hey, bro. Maximum all girls are getting into the exam hall. Only that girl and those boys are not seen. Somehow we'll catch them. Okay.
Dude, everyone is searching for that girl. But that girl should be found out only by our group. Only that is our success. We have to get her at any cost.
I have a superb idea. I'll also go like a student inside. I'll fine-tune the principal and try to get all the details of that girl. What do you say?
Will anybody believe that this fellow is a student? Hey, dude, he speaks awesome English now. We'll send him only. Hey, dude, you only go.
Hey, give me the tie. God knows how to tie it. He's given it immediately. Hey, sweetheart, how to tie it? Can you tie
I
it
don't
for
know.
me?
I'm already late for my exam.
Okay, sir, I will take care. You can leave.
Hey, good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Huh?
Tell me, what can I do for you?
Sir, actually, Aishwarya is supposed to come and write the exam today. I wanted to meet her and then talk to her. But I did not come, sir.
Get ready to run
Oh,
our plan is performing, right? I don't know.
Any problem?
I don't know those guys, but nowadays some rogues. They are disturbing Aishwarya, not allowing her to study. If I find those guys one day, I will try to kill them. I will never leave them just like that. They don't know about me. I will just finish them off.
He's shouting too much, huh? I know he's saying something, but I am not getting a clue what he is talking.
These guys are trying to disturb the girls who study very well. I will not leave them. Sorry, due to my hypertension, I got a little emotional.
Little emotional.
You tell me, how is Aishwarya related to you?
Sir, me and Aishwarya are classmates, sir. Sir, small age, 5th standard. In convent, we studied together, sir.
May I know in which class?
This is Ooty, sir.
You mean at Ooty?
Yes, sir, Ooty, sir.
Oh,
Good morning, sir. They are our old students. Yes, sir.
Your face really shows that you have studied in a convent. So I will take care of you very well. Come here. Hey, security! Don't leave him. Come on, catch him fast. Don't leave
Get
him.
lost from here, nasty fellow. How dare you to come inside?
Oh my God.
Idiot.
Lady,
Come on.
Hey, why did you
Go.
send him here? Hey, no fun. He only speaks good English. What English here? I'll take my grandfather died. All this you call English. Even I'll talk like this here. Look at him.
Slow down the car. Hey, stop, stop.
I told you, right? This is his English. Hey, leave him here, yeah. Let's go. I'm going to close the door. Let's go. Let him go to hell.
Sir, sir, the complex issue actually is... Bro, that girl did not come to write the exam, bro. I think she's scared of us and have run away with that bloody cook. Not only that, we also saw she didn't come to write the exam at all.
Hey, why is your shirt torn, man?
Got engaged in a fight, that's why it got torn.
What do you mean?
Bro, is this very important? That girl did not come to write the exam at all.
What? Who the hell said she didn't write? She didn't write the exam in that school, uncle.
Another school?
See in the newspaper. Hey, read this.
R B O Q P O S R.
Hey, give it here, man. I am far better, I
Bro,
guess.
if it is written proper...
One I'll give you. Nonsense. Hey, why is this fellow talking like this? Both of them are not visible in the vicinity.
After all, where is the girl going to run away, bro? She will not be able to move an extra inch from the city, bro. After all, why are you worried, bro? We, your brothers, are here, right? Don't worry. Bro, till you get the complex in your name, we are not going to take a single drop of water.
We'll not drink a single drop of water, but we'll have chicken pieces, right?
I too said, sir, we'll first search for the girl. After that, we'll sit and eat. I told him.
It was he. He said we'll eat first, then we'll do the job later. Bill for 1,000 rupees. I really want to know what the hell you had. Tell me! Tell me! I was asking you to do my job.
my mouth.
And you will not do. Will I get the complex? Tell me I should get the complex, right?
Normally, people used to come inside the hospital and then put the syringe. But you have done the other way round and come here.
Doctor, you have got a very good humor sense, doctor. But sorry, we cannot laugh at all.
Don't bother about that. But one thing, the person who have hit you is not an ordinary man.
my god!
A person who's got revenge, anger, everything in his complete body alone, he can hit you like this. Otherwise, how can you guys can be admitted here?
Actually, are you a doctor or a janitor?
Try to stuff a cotton in your mouth, doctor, and don't muffle your dialogues.
Can I see the man who has hit you?
What, yaar? You want to have our fate over? Oh my god! Again, pain! Come, you bloody musketeers. You've got it today from me. Hey, hand it over.
Playing with us, huh?
Hey, the other stuff. These pins are brought from the same shop that you brought it from. We also know how to mix alpins with soda.
What, dude? He is taking beer or what?
I think he's going to get drunk now. Hey, he's going to throw that now. Oh my god, escape. Run. Fast. Take it. Hey, wait, man. Hey, my auto, yaar. Hey, it's my auto. Stop, man, stop.
Welcome. I am Prestige. I am the son of this father. I have come here to ask for your marriage offer. Last time I did cooking for one marriage, and since then I haven't eaten anything. Even if you guys go into jail, you guys have holidays, and I want to cook for you. That is what I wanted to tell.
What? You cook nicely, yeah?
This is when you should speak.
You have the food. You will not even wash your hands.
Even before that, they will beat me up.
I meant he will have the food again, boss.
That's enough. Give them the order.
10 bags of rice.
After 10 o'clock, you can take it from ration.
2 bags of sugar.
My dear brother, you can flick that from the nearby hotel.
100 coconuts.
If this is our place, then you can go and take from there. Do you already have a
Already
girl?
whacked.
That is what I was thinking. Even the girl is ready to come. You will go there and kidnap her. That is your guy. Then one more thing I want to tell. Can I sit here? Okay. For your marriage, how many people will come?
Around.
How many people who hate you? Even if they come, I will mix poison and kill them. Yes, from now onwards I won't scared by anyone. Then let me go and buy some. Okay, let me go. Come, Potbelly.
Who's this fellow, man?
What, boss? You seem to be very happy today.
The group of 5 people who brought me here, I will bring them and make them cook for me, and finally I'll mix poison and kill all of them together.
Please make it clear,
I
boss.
will make it clear for you. I will mix poison for them, and then I will tell these guys put it, and then I will go and I will become a great guy. Call them, Potbelly. Welcome, Mr.
Please pardon me,
It's
boss.
It's okay. And tell me, what happened to you guys? Are you still using my money? Or did you flick from someone else?
There's nothing like that, boss.
Nobody else has come.
They are feeling bad to face you, boss.
What about mixing?
Mixing can be there. Please call them once and ask them I specially invited.
I don't think they will come, boss.
I'll give all of them 5,000 rupees.
Money is not important,
Will they come, boss?
But last round of meals,
You're saying no, tie the sari.
they'll have to come.
She's saying no, come on.
Boss, why last round? Give me a phone. I'll ask them to come for the first round itself.
Boss, I think 5,000 rupees is too much for them.
Hey, Potbelly. They will eat the poison and they will die. Then we'll take back the money.
Boss, what are you doing?
You will see me very soon. I will become the boss.
Yes, dude, I saw. Aishu is here only.
Is it? Go straight. Come.
Hey, Potbelly.
Huh?
Have you bought it?
Dal?
Poison. Hello? Who are you guys? Where are you going?
It's me, my dear boss.
Oh, it is you. You can turn around and show
According to
your
what
face.
you've done, we feel very bad to look at your face, boss.
That's all right. I want to see you guys. Turn around right now. Hey, Potbelly.
Eh?
I am not able to look at his face now only. How will I look at him later?
You can see that tomorrow morning.
My dear boys, you should all work sincerely and finally come and sit, have the feast, and then go.
Yes, we got it.
All right. Mm.
Hey, do it
Easy
properly.
mixing for himself. Make sure you all eat very well, all right?
Yeah, boss. Dessert is ready. Tell everyone that dessert will be really tasty. Within 5 minutes, tiffin will be ready.
Okay.
1 minute.
Ah.
We forgot to put some kismis.
Mix properly.
Yeah, you can
I'll
go.
do it. Give it to me.
Like Potbelly, he doesn't know that he is going to die. It's okay, go.
Yeah, fine.
You should eat well and leave.
Hello, sir. This is my first order after a long time. You can taste this, and then I will start the feast.
Do you know one thing? Girl is not
She
here.
must
She'll
be
be
here
somewhere
somewhere.
here.
Go check.
I'm saying about the bride girl.
What?
What? The bride is missing. My dear boys, you can stop there. My dear boys, where are you?
Who is this fellow?
My employees only.
Who brought him here?
I only brought them.
For what?
Ah, there is a reason behind it.
What reason?
That is a big secret.
What secret?
By the way, the bride is missing, but you keep asking questions about these guys. What's
Because
wrong
he
with
is the
you?
one who kidnapped the bride.
Boss! We tried to trap those guys, boss, but those guys have picked the girl and they've left here. Come, let's move.
Oh, I won't stop. Nobody can catch this prestige.
Hey, ride fast, ride fast. Only if I get him will I get the girl, and only if I get the girl will I get the complex. So ride fast, fast, fast. Look straight and drive it. Look straight and drive. Somehow I'm going to catch this bloody cook and going to give him. Just see it. Hey, I'm getting the call. Complex is confirmed. Hello? Hello, dude. This is Kumar, dude. Call for a call taxi,
I
right?
didn't ask for any call taxi, man. It's the wrong number. Call taxi for a shopping complex, sir.
Hey, look straight and drive, man. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? I asked you to go straight.
No. Hello?
Dude, this is Kumar, dude. Call for call taxi, right? Vehicle is ready, sir. Where do I come?
I just told you now I didn't ask for a call taxi. Wrong number.
Now what are you looking at me? Look forward and drive. Go straight, go fast.
yes,
we have
sir,
to
yes,
go and get the cook. We have to catch him immediately before he escapes from this place. Only I get him, only then I can get the complex. Go fast. Hello. Hey, dude. Kumar here, dude. Dude, instead of calling you, I call somebody else, dude. Again, you're bloody calling my number only, you bloody nonsense fellow. Stupid rascal. Oh, sorry, sir. Once again you try call me, I will bloody kill you. I am a very big gangster.
Stupid fellow, disconnected.
Till the end that you are a gangster is not conveyed, right?
Is it not?
Ah, right. What are you agreeing with him? Look straight and drive the car here. Look straight. Go fast. We have to go and catch him. Only then, bloody, I'll get my complex. Go fast. Stupid fellow, I'm asking you to go fast. You are bloody going, taking it zigzag. Is it the same guy? What? I'll give you now. Hello. Hey, dude, it's Kumar, dude. Whenever I'm trying to call you, dude, but some other fellow is picking up. Dude, you're not clear, dude. You nonsense fellow. I'll call you from now on. You tell me where I should come. Oh, you are also a call taxi driver, huh? Rascal fellow, I'll be coming to your place. You don't have to wait for me. I'll come there. Wait. Why did you do this nonsense here? Actually, we were on the way to whack the girl. Now you are talking to somebody else saying that you will come there. Now that was actually making me confused. That is why I got confused. Now are we going there or are we going here? Now we are going to hospital. So take the vehicle to hospital, bro. Take the vehicle, man. Hey, listen to what bro is saying. Always making fun of
Shut
him.
up, man.
Hey.
Hello, stop. I'm not getting a lift, stop. Yeah, please stop. Hey, thank you. Oh, sorry. I asked for a lift from them, so they stopped first. So I have to go there. Please don't worry. Next time I'll come with you. Oh, thank
Okay, you take the vehicle.
Hello, sir.
You lock me up in the bathroom, you bloody fella.
Hey!
Wait there, wait there. I will
want to
bloody
go
take care
there.
of you. You don't
no,
run.
please,
You don't
please
run.
leave
Come
me.
in, get inside. Get inside. Come
Sir,
inside,
sir,
boy.
please, sir, don't
Come inside,
stop.
bro. Do you recognize me?
Somewhere I saw you.
A glamorous person like me was made to this extent.
Hey.
Why do you talk to him like this? Fix him inside. Now I want to see how you're going to escape. Let's go. Hey, looks like a big accident has happened here. Come with me. I'll teach you a lesson
I
now.
asked you for a lift. That doesn't mean you
Sit
lift me.
properly,
Bro, party coming.
Where I escaped from, you are bringing me there only.
My boss has come. Please leave me now.
Hey, dude. Come here, man.
I won't come, you go.
Hey, what do you mean get lost?
Whomsoever called me, I told about them.
Hey, what happened, man? You sent him to jail. You burnt his hotel down. You destroyed my complex dream. Who are you? Who are you, man? Where the hell did you come from?
How many times shall I tell you? This is my father. I am son of this father and I am a cook. My father was also a famous cook and his father was also very famous. Cooking is there in our legacy. For generations we have been cooking for everyone. And in that family I was born. I came to this town to open a hotel. But I ended up not eating anything for many days. I can't bear
Hey,
it.
why are we standing here listening to his full story like a big lump of rock? Ask him why he kidnapped the girl. When we hit him, that guy should get hurt.
Eh? You are a bald-headed idiot. If you beat me, I will only get hurt. How can he get hurt? What are you saying? You don't know
Hey.
anything.
Too smart, huh?
Hmm?
Hey, the way he shrieks, the other guy should bring the girl and come immediately.
That's right.
Eh?
The way we are going to hit you, he's going to come flying with the girl.
Super stupid people. You will beat me and you think they will come. You will beat me up and when I am admitted in the hospital, you might come and see me. But they will never come. I am telling you for sure they won't come. You are simply standing. No, please ask why.
Why?
Because even if their mother is admitted, they will give missed call to the doctor. These people will never come for me. Hey, Potbelly, first
Boss.
you go, man.
Where's he going, man?
No idea, bro.
Yeah,
Boss,
bring
take
that
this.
here. In this, I have mixed poison and I wanted to kill all those people. You can even try and eat this. This. Hey, you eat this. You eat this. Someone please eat this. Otherwise, I will go mad. Huh? Who are you? You want to eat this?
Why, sir? You know who is he? Huh?
Who is this guy? He looks like a cousin of Godzilla. Why is he getting angry on me? Whatever you need, please come and have it here. Whatever you need, please come and have it here. Yes, come sir, please come here. You can have everything for free. No, you have to pay.
If you call like this, nobody will come for the afternoon. Only people will come for
Keep
night.
quiet, I will call them. They will all come here. Hello, please come, please. My dear boys, I have finally found a job.
Hey,
Please
don't shout and murmur
kill
there.
me.
Shout and call for the
Yes,
customers.
boss, I am calling. Yes, come, everybody
Actually, I didn't expect you to be at this state, sir.
come. Why? You thought I will be in a worse condition?
Don't speak like that, boss. Yesterday itself you came in a dream,
How
boss.
dare you say that? You were supposed to be with me for real and you are saying I came in your dream.
Hey,
Huh?
come on, boss. This time we are definitely going to open a restaurant. Promise?
Promise. Boss looks like his father only.
You started again.
We are
Yes, just beginning.
boss.
Open.
Where is the scissors? Someone has to take.
Boss, I am a changed person now.
Hmm?
Please take, sir.
You have started. Oh my god, Thank you.
I'm looking a guy for my second daughter. Once her marriage is fixed, then you'll have to take the catering department,
Sir,
okay?
From now onwards, your daughter will cook for our boss.
What are you telling?
Instead of getting your daughter married to someone, he can marry her.
What are you saying?
I mean, our boss can marry her.
Sir, please get our boss married very soon, sir. Otherwise, we are going to get bored to death.
What did you say?
Right, sir. Only then we can play with the little son. Otherwise, we'll get bored, sir.
For that, you shouldn't say like that. You should say you want me to
Right,
get
sir,
married.
right, sir.
Anyway, somehow we have opened the restaurant. Next is your marriage.
So we also have to play a fun with the junior boss.